Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how you can clear RAM cache in Windows. Go to Start menu and left-click on it. Then choose Task Manager. Then go to Performance. So as you can see, around 3.8 gigabytes of my memory is occupied by cache. So in order to clean this, go to any browser in your computer, then search Download RAM Map. Then click the first link. Then click on Download RAM Map. Now as you can see, it starts downloading. After it finished, go to the folder which the download file is saved. Then right-click on it and click on Extract All. Then choose your location and click on Extract. Now click on the main file, which is the RAM map file right here. Click on Agree. Now let me open my Task Manager tab, and I will show you how it will clear my cache. Now go to Empty and click on Empty Standby List. Now as you can see, my RAM cache is cleared. So if you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.